How to turn off in-app sounds on Facebook for Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you annoying of those sounds in Facebook mobile app getting on your nerves every time you interact with it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those in-app sounds on your Android device. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first go ahead and open the Facebook app on your Android phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are in the app, tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen and you will be guided to the menu section. From there, simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. And once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, if you are having trouble locating the sounds option, no worries. You can simply tap on magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on search bar and type sounds and it should appear there. But if the search doesn't work, you can check the media section, which is sometimes tucked away under photos and videos. Tap on it to dig deeper. And once you are in the media section, simply scroll down until you see the option named sounds in the app. And once you have located that option, you will see the toggle button. Simply toggle it off to disable the in-app sounds. And that's it. You have successfully turned off those annoying notification sounds in Facebook. Now you can scroll and interact with the app without any pesky dings. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.